Welcome to our channel, Electrically United.
Today, we will study about nature of electricity. According to modern electron theory of matter, all matter, whether solid, liquid or gas, is composed of very small particles called molecules. A molecule is in turn made up of atoms. An atom consists of a central part called nucleus, and around the nucleus, called extranucleus, there are a number of electrons revolving in different paths or orbits. The size of the nucleus is very small as compared to the size of the atom. The nucleus contains protons and neutrons. A proton is a positively charged particle having mass 1837 times that of an electron. A neutron has the same mass as proton but no charge. Clearly, the nucleus of an atom bears a positive charge. An electron is a negatively charged particle having negative charge equal to the positive charge on a proton. Under normal conditions, the number of electrons is equal to the number of protons in an atom. Therefore, an atom is neutral as a whole, the negative charge on electrons cancelling the positive charge on protons. The above discussion shows that matter is electrical in nature. In other words, it contains particles of electricity. To be specific, protons and electrons. But, whether a given body exhibits electricity, charge, or not depends upon the relative number of these particles of electricity. In first case, if the number of protons is equal to the number of electrons in a body, the resultant charge is zero and the body will be electrically neutral. Thus the paper of a book is electrically neutral, in other words, paper exhibits no charge, because it has the same number of protons and electrons. In second case, if from a neutral body, some electrons are removed, there occurs a deficit of electrons in the body. Consequently, the body attains a positive charge. Hence a positively charged body has deficit of electrons from the normal due share. Here you should know that electrons have very small mass, and, therefore, are much more mobile than protons. On the other hand, protons are powerfully held in the nucleus and cannot be removed or detached. In third case, if a neutral body is supplied with electrons, there occurs an excess of electrons. Consequently, the body attains a negative charge. Hence a negatively charged body has an excess of electrons from the normal due share. Please press the like button if this video helped you understand the topic. And subscribe to our channel for more videos.